Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this origami envelope. This is a perfect complement to the Love Note origami heart. You make one of these, put your little note on it, put it in your envelope, hand it over, they pull the tab, get their note. It's a great way to show somebody you're thinking about them. Let them know you care. Perfect for Valentine's Day, birthday cards, Christmas cards, gifts, whatever the occasion. Pretty simple to make. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, so we're going to start off with a regular sheet of printer paper, and I'm going to fold this in half lengthwise. I'm going to line up my corners, make sure my edges are good. And when I'm happy with that, I will crease it down. And I'm going to open this up, and I'll rotate it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these edges here on each side, and I'm going to fold them along this center crease line. So I'm going to take this, pull this. When I'm happy with that, I will crease that down. Then I'm going to rotate it. I'm going to do the same thing to this side. So I'll take these edges, I'll fold them in. Make sure it goes all the way to the top. And crease that down. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bottom corner and I'm going to fold it right to the edge where these papers come in. So I'm going to lift this. I'll go right to that edge, making sure my center crease lines up with the center crease, and I will crease this down. I'm going to rotate it. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to take this point, put it right up against that edge, making sure the center is aligned, and then I will crease that down. Now I'm going to rotate it so the sides are here. I'm going to take this bottom edge, fold it along this center crease line, but more importantly, these edges here are going to line up with these edges. So lift this up, I'll go up to the center, I'll make sure these edges are happy, and then when they are, I will crease that down. I'm going to do the same thing to the top, so I'm going to take these edges, line them up with these edges, and this center line should meet up with the center. But when they don't, this is the more important edge. I make sure that these line up first. Then I crease that down. And you can see it kind of looks like an envelope, but this is not where we're going to finish. We're going to actually flip this over, so it's just one solid piece on top. I'm going to bend this top part down, and I'm going to bend it down so that I'm just past where this triangle is. So I'm going to go up here. I got a little bit more. See, there's a little space between where the triangle is and where the edge of the paper is. I'll make sure my edges line up. Then I will crease this down. Just like so. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, leaving this where it is, I'm going to take this lower flap, I'm going to fold it up right along where the edge of this paper is. Then I'm going to make sure the edges are aligned. And then I will crease that down. Okay, now what we're going to do is in here, under this flap here, is where this corner goes. And then this corner is going to go under this flap. So, we're going to go ahead and take that flap, push that down, take this one, put it down. And there you have the envelope. So the way it's opened is someone holds up here, they pull these tabs, and then in here's where you can put your note. You can put your notes in here. 1, 2, you can put a bunch. You can close this up, fold that down. And it makes a great, clever Valentine's Day gift, birthday gift, holiday gift, or whatever. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click that like and subscribe, and follow for more.